the president was very compassionate. He's a father and a grandfather. If you look at what the facts in possession of the security agencies, you will marvel. But the president has come out to say, in spite of all this, I have children, I have grandchildren, if not great-grandchildren. And that was what motivated his largesse or his passion to release them and also enable them in some way. So the credit goes to him for giving a compassionate consideration to the release, the treatment of the young chaps that were released. But let me seize this opportunity to clarify something. People were under the impression that because they are children, they are minors, all sorts of theories have come up. There is no law in this country which says a minor cannot be tried. And I've also heard, they should go to a family court. A study of the law and the Constitution leaves you to no other conclusion that it is the Federal High Court that has jurisdiction in matters bordering on treason and allied matters. So the chapter is, but whatever the situation, the president has closed the chapter by his decision to have these young men released. Thank you.
I would like to confirm that the major reform of this government is the Supreme Court judgment on the local government autonomy.
Yes.
Are you happy? You made that move as the Honorable Attorney General. Are you happy with the execution so far?
Well, I'm still happy because, you see, it takes time to actually get a full implementation. But it is on, and by the time we come out with the full implementation, everybody will be happy. I will not start a project that I won't be able to finish. The president is happy with it, everybody is happy, and the way the public has come out their reaction to the decision of the Supreme Court suggests that the president couldn't have done better than he has done on this matter.
Thank you.